Avurudu, a celebration of new beginnings. This vibrant festival marks the end of the harvest season and the start of a new year filled with hope and joy. Sri Lanka, a sunny island, comes alive every April for Avurudu. Streets are adorned with colorful decorations, and the air is filled with the sounds of traditional music and laughter. This is the Sinhala and Hindu New Year. It's a time when both communities come together to celebrate their shared heritage and cultural traditions. Think of a time of rebirth, fresh starts like nature waking up. That's Avurudu. The blooming flowers and the fresh scent of spring symbolize new beginnings and the promise of a prosperous year ahead. It's a time to forget the past year and welcome the new one. Families clean and decorate their homes, exchange gifts, and prepare traditional sweets to share with loved ones. Avurudu is more than just a date on the calendar. It's a celebration of life, love, and community. People come together to share meals, play traditional games, and create lasting memories. It's a mix of tradition, family, and faith. It brings everyone together. Prayers are offered at temples, and families spanning multiple generations gather to celebrate and honor their ancestors. For Sri Lankans all over the world, Avurudu reminds them of where they come from. Even those living abroad find ways to connect with their roots, often through video calls and community gatherings. It's a time to remember their roots and share their traditions. Elders pass down customs and recipes, ensuring that the spirit of Avurudu lives on in future generations. The stars align, welcoming the new year. Avurudu happens when the sun moves from the house of Pisces to the house of Aries. This change starts the new year. The exact moment the sun moves is called Nanagada. It's a special, quiet time. At this moment everything stops, people stop what they're doing, they pray quietly and welcome the new year. This connection to nature is important to Avurudu. It reminds us that we are part of something bigger. Nanagathaya, a time of reflection and renewal. The time before the new year is called Nanagathaya. It's a time to clean your spirit and think. People clean their homes, they pay their debts. It's like cleaning out the old to make room for the new. During Nanagathaya, people don't work. They go to temples, give to others, and ask for blessings. This quiet time is a big part of Avurudu. It's a time to stop, think, and plan for the new year. The rhythm of rituals, auspicious moments. Avurudu is full of rituals. Each one happens at a special time and has a meaning. These rituals bring families and communities together. Lighting the oil lamp means pushing away darkness and welcoming light and good things. Boiling milk and letting it overflow means hoping for a year of good luck. Sharing the first meal together shows unity. These rituals, passed down for many years, are the heart of Avurudu. Section 5. A feast for the senses, traditional Avurudu delights. Every celebration needs good food, and Avurudu is full of it. Think of tables full of sweets like kavum, kokis, and aluwa. These sweets are delicious. The smell of spices fills the air as families cook traditional dishes like kiribath, milk rice, and kevam. Every bite is full of flavor. Sharing food is a big part of Avurudu. It's a time for families and friends to enjoy traditional food together. These foods show the rich culture of Sri Lanka. Section 6. Playful competition, games of skill and chance. Avurudu is a time for fun. Traditional games are a big part of it, from pillow fighting, kotapora, to pot breaking, kanamuti bindima. These games are fun for everyone. Kids and grown-ups play together, everyone is cheering and laughing. These games aren't just about winning, they're about being together and having fun. They make Avurudu even more exciting. Section 7. Avurudu in a globalized world, a tapestry of cultures. As the world gets smaller, traditions like Avurudu are changing. But the main idea stays the same. Now, Avurudu is celebrated all over the world, not just in Sri Lanka. This is a great example of sharing cultures. It's exciting and inspiring. It's about remembering your own traditions while learning about others. This mix of traditions celebrates everyone.
You'll make the celebration better, and you'll have amazing memories. If you are open and respectful, you can truly enjoy Avurudu. Dress respectfully when visiting temples and ask before taking pictures. Remember to respect local customs. Join the fun by trying the food, watching the rituals, and even playing the games. If you visit Sri Lanka during Avurudu, you can see this celebration yourself.
Section 9. Traditions threads that connect us to our past and future. Avurudu reminds us that traditions are important. They keep us steady, connect us, and make us feel like we belong. They connect us to the past and help us move towards the future. In a world that's always changing, traditions give us something to hold on to. As we celebrate Avurudu, let's remember to keep our traditions alive and share them with others. Let's start the new year with hope, thankfulness, and togetherness. Section 10. The global impact of Avurudu. Avurudu, also known as the Sinhala and Tamil New Year, is a vibrant festival that marks the beginning of the new year in Sri Lanka. This festival is deeply rooted in the island's culture and traditions, celebrated with much enthusiasm and joy. Avurudu is not just a celebration confined to Sri Lanka, it transcends borders and has become a global phenomenon. The essence of Avurudu lies in its ability to bring people together, regardless of where they are in the world. Over the years, it has gained global recognition. International media outlets now cover Avurudu celebrations, highlighting the unique customs and traditions associated with this festival. This global attention has helped in spreading awareness about Sri Lankan culture. Sri Lankan communities around the world come together to celebrate this festival, showcasing their rich culture and traditions. These celebrations are not just limited to Sri Lankans, they attract people from various cultural backgrounds who are eager to experience and participate in the festivities. From New York to London, Avurudu events are organized, bringing together people of all backgrounds. These events feature traditional music, dance, and food, creating a vibrant atmosphere that resonates with the spirit of Avurudu. These celebrations help in promoting cultural understanding and unity. They provide an opportunity for people to learn about Sri Lankan customs and traditions, fostering a sense of appreciation and respect for cultural diversity. They also provide a platform for the younger generation to learn and appreciate their heritage. Through games, rituals, and storytelling, children and youth are introduced to the rich cultural tapestry of Sri Lanka, ensuring that these traditions are passed down through generations. As Avurudu continues to spread its wings globally, it serves as a reminder of the importance of cultural preservation and the beauty of diversity. It highlights the universal values of togetherness, joy, and mutual respect, making it a truly global celebration. Section 11. The evolution of Avurudu traditions. Over the years, Avurudu traditions have evolved, blending the old with the new. While the core rituals remain unchanged, modern elements have been incorporated to keep the celebrations relevant. For instance, social media has become a significant part of Avurudu, with people sharing their experiences and memories online. Virtual celebrations have also become popular, especially among the diaspora. Despite these changes, the essence of Avurudu remains intact. It continues to be a time of joy, reflection, and togetherness, bridging the gap between generations. Section 12. The future of Avurudu. As we look to the future, Avurudu will continue to evolve, adapting to the changing times. This evolution is not just a necessity but a testament to the resilience and dynamism of our cultural heritage. The festival, which marks the Sinhala and Hindu New Year, has always been a reflection of our society's values and traditions. As our world becomes more interconnected, Avurudu too will embrace new influences, blending them seamlessly with age-old customs. However, its core values of family, tradition, and community will remain unchanged. These values are the bedrock of Avurudu, providing a sense of continuity and belonging. The essence of coming together, sharing meals, and participating in rituals will always be at the heart of the celebrations. It's this unwavering commitment to our roots that will ensure Avurudu's relevance in the future. The younger generation will play a crucial role in preserving and promoting these traditions. They are the torchbearers of our cultural legacy, and their involvement is vital. By engaging in Avurudu activities, they not only honor their heritage but also infuse it with fresh energy and perspectives. Their participation ensures that the festival remains vibrant and meaningful. By embracing both the old and the new, they will ensure that Avurudu remains a vibrant and meaningful celebration for years to come. This fusion of traditions will create a rich tapestry of experiences, where the past and present coexist harmoniously. It's this blend that will keep the festival dynamic and relevant, appealing to both the young and the old. As we celebrate Avurudu today, let's also look forward to the future with hope and optimism, cherishing the traditions that connect us to our roots, and embracing the changes that lie ahead. The festival is a time for reflection and renewal. a moment to appreciate our cultural heritage while being open to new possibilities. It's this balance of honoring the past and welcoming the future that will keep Avurudu alive and thriving. Together, we can ensure that the spirit of Avurudu continues to thrive, bringing joy and unity to communities around the world. The festival is not just a local celebration but a global one, uniting people across different cultures and backgrounds. By fostering a sense of community and shared identity, Avurudu has the power to bridge divides and create lasting bonds. Let's cherish these moments, look forward to the future, and keep the flame of Avurudu burning brightly for generations to come. The festival is a beacon of hope and continuity, a reminder of our shared heritage and the enduring values that bind us together. By nurturing these traditions, we ensure that Avurudu remains a source of joy, unity, and cultural pride for years to come.